Hi everyone! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. It's 20 minutes to 2 o'clock in the afternoon here, guys. And good morning or good evening wherever parts of the world you are watching me from. Well, today I'm here with my family. We are going home from Galway City. It's about 2 hours drive from here to Dublin. So I'll just show you the view from here. We are leaving the town center, guys. So it's cloudy, guys. It's cloudy today, and it was raining earlier. Now it's beginning to rain again. And I have a slow connection, internet connection. Mga quiet po yung mga kasama ko dito sa loob ng kotse. I think they're going to sleep after lunch. We just finished our lunch and they are all full. We are all full. So yes, guys, we came here just to check the car that my son, my daughter and her boyfriend want to buy. So we just checked it and we just had our lunch, and now we are heading home. So guys, I'm just really grateful that I have the time to spend it with my family during weekend or even weekdays if they are available, because of my online business. You see, this online business gives me the flexibility of time to do other things while my business is running in the background, because it runs 24/7. We have a business in automation, and the good thing is I can also bring it anywhere, anytime, because I just use my phone and internet connection to run this business. Isn't it amazing, guys? Yes. So guys, as you see nowadays, it's not only nowadays, a lot of people are out of job, out of work, because a lot of the company or shops are closing down. So it is really sad to see them like unemployed, and they're not prepared to, you know, have a plan B, because they don't have a plan B while they're still working. So guys, that's why the reason why I'm sharing this online business is because I want to help you guys to think about getting a plan B while you are still working, because our job are not secure nowadays. So this business is very flexible, so even you are working, still working, you can do this, because our training is in video form, step by step, so you can do the training on your available time. And if you don't have any skills, business skills or technical skills, there's no problem about it, because our training is very easy to follow, and you can stop, pause, or rewind it, because it's in video form, guys. So, and you also have guidance from your mentor and coaches and the global supportive community. And guys, so just check this out if you are willing to have a plan B while you're still working. And it doesn't matter where you are at, because this business is global, guys. We have 48 offices over 25 countries, and very legitimate. It pays taxes, and yeah, it pays high compensation commissions as well, because our business, the company that we are affiliated, is 50 years in the business, very stable, guys. And loads of people in our business community are already changed. They already changed their lives for the better. Most of them are just doing this business. They already quit their jobs, nurses, engineers, teachers, and stay-at-home mom, name it, guys. All of those are here in our business community. So that's my son. He's also a business owner. Say hi.
Hello.
So guys, since he's also a business owner, he also has a website, so you can check this out on his website, KirstenAmpilocchio.com, and or on my website, www.roselampilocchio.com. So, or message me if you have questions, guys. So we are here still in the city, Galway City. It is starting to rain again. So I did my go live earlier, but you cannot hear me because the wind is really strong outside, because I was beside, you know, the sea, and it's really windy. So my volume is though it is high, you still can't hear me because of the wind. So guys, that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Hope everyone is having a lovely day with your family, doing the things that you love, guys. Bye.